Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to leave a like, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to leave a question in the comment section if you've got a question. So, today we're going to deal with what we call matrices. What are matrices? First of all, in mathematics, you come across questions involving matrices. You come across problems involving matrices. But first, before we do those problems or learn how to do those problems, we'll have to introduce matrices to you. But in order to understand a matrix or matrices, you have to first define what a matrix is. Where a matrix is a rectangular array of numbers or expressions arranged in rows and columns. An example of a matrix can be given as follows. A is a matrix and it has what we call elements inside it. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is a matrix A. But these matrices are called M by N matrices. M by N matrices, where M is equal to the number of rows and N is equal to the number of columns. So as you deal with questions involving matrices, you have to identify the rows and columns. In this case, we have 2 rows and 3 columns. How do we tell which ones are rows and how do we tell which ones are columns? So these are rows. These are the 2 rows. You see that? And these are 1, 2, 3. These are the 3 columns. So we say this is a 2 by 3 matrix. As simple as that, you've identified this matrix is a 2 by 3 matrix. So we've got a matrix being 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We want to find out the number of rows this matrix has. So we'll count them just like in the previous one. 1, 2, 3. So it has 3 rows. You get that? Now we count the number of columns it has. It has 1, 2. So this is simply a 3 by 2 matrix. As simple as that. These matrices have got what we call matrix operations, and these matrix operations are easy to carry out. You can add matrices, you can subtract matrices, and you can multiply matrices. You'll be able to learn how to add matrices, subtract matrices, and multiply matrices in the next video, in our next videos. Don't forget to like, don't forget to sub, and don't forget to leave a comment if you've got a comment to leave or a question to leave.